You are correct. It is false. This is completely false. Not only will...
Money good?
You got to get all three. What's up, everybody? We are back with another episode of Street Smart with Rashid. I am your host, Rashid Kareem Shatty, and I am here today at the world-famous, iconic Hollywood sign. Today, I'm going to be asking questions about winter health. All right, what is your name and where are you from?
Carlos, I'm from Brazil.
I'm Melanie, I'm from Paraguay.
I'm Chase.
I'm Pilar, I'm from Argentina.
My name is Nazar, I'm from Ukraine.
I'm Maya, I'm from Paraguay too.
Represent. I think you're the first Ukrainian we've had. And my dad has a friend named Nazar, you said?
Yes, Nazar.
My dad has a friend named Nazar. His best friend's name.
Shouldn't ask me difficult questions.
I'll take it easy on you for that. Number 1, true or false? Drinking water while exercising outside in the winter can cause your body temperature to drop too low.
I'm gonna go with false. We're gonna go with false.
No, I don't think it doesn't. I think it doesn't affect you. Because I think I think our body is like 85% of water. Yeah, if it's like normal water with normal temperature, I don't think so. But
False.
False.
False is correct. Woo! You are correct. It is false. This is completely false. Not only will...
Money good?
You got to get all three. Then we got you with the cash. Not only will water not drop your body temperature, it's still really important to stay hydrated while you're burning through water exercising. All right, you're 1 for 1. Number 2, which kind of lotion is best for preventing dry skin in the winter? A, oil-based, B, water-based, or C, alcohol-based?
Honestly, I don't know, but let's try oil-based.
Definitely not alcohol
I'm
based.
gonna say oil-based.
Yeah, okay, oil based.
Oil-based.
A.
Oil-based.
Oil-based. And you seem confident with that.
Yes.
That is correct. Cold air tends to take moisture off the skin, drying it out. An oil-based lotion creates a protective layer that seals the moisture close to your skin, while a water-based lotion loses moisture along with your skin. You're a skincare expert?
Yes. Kind of.
You're glowing. You're looking terrific. Number 3, this is for all the marbles. How do you guys feel right now? You said you're feeling good?
I think we'll get it. I really do.
Very confident. No nerves? Nothing?
Cool as a cucumber.
Cool as a cucumber, he says. All right. How big is the largest snowflake ever recorded? A, 5 inches, B, 10 inches, or C, 15 inches?
10 inches.
It's gotta be 10. You think so?
Okay, sure.
All right, we're gonna go with 10 inches.
¿Cómo son las inches? I'm trying to think on inches.
I would put C. It's the first letter of my name. Sorry.
C.
I
C.
don't know so.
C, are you sure? No, it's too much.
I think it's C.
I think it's always C.
I would put C.
My teacher says always B.
I would put C as Chris.
Say away.
C?
If it's C, you...
I don't know.
We paid it in there
10, and
today.
15.
So.
15 inches is too much for a snowflake, you said? 15 is too much. Un copo de nieve.
Entonces 5.
Yeah.
5.
For me, it's 5 or
5.
A or B.
A or B?
A.
B.
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 I would put C.
Okay, B.
B.
Okay, B.
B.
It was C! It was. It's C, 15 inches! Most snowflakes are smaller than a quarter inch, but they found this beast in Montana in 1887. Not only was it 15 inches wide, it was also 8 inches thick. That snowflake is thick.
Whoa. Whoa.
Okay.
Okay.
We don't want that.
Imagine that falling on your head.
Please, no.
Please no.
I'm Michaela.
I'm Chase, and we just played the Street Smart Challenge. Thanks, Dherbs.
We just play Street Smart. Thank you, Dherbs.
All right, guys, that wraps up another episode of Street Smart with Rashid. Thank you all so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, leave a comment, and tune in again next week for another episode.